Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for this video I wanted to show you guys our 06 to 08 Dodge Ram Halo kits. Now these are for the basic Dodge Ram headlights with the halogens in them. Some of the aftermarket lights are a different shape, so please keep that in mind. In this case, these are UCS2904 RGBW LEDs. They are color flow, or the flow series, addressable, NeoPixel, bunch of different names for them. These are 12 volt and they are diffused. So you can see our diffusion on there is a nice white diffusion that is built on. This is not a ring that attaches. It is a permanently affixed diffusion. And as far as connections go, we do have the basic JSTs on each one that can run out the back. As well as, if you want to get a little bit fancy, there are outputs on each Halo. So you can run these in series. You want to use a Ghost controller or something like that, you can step it up a little bit. But I am going to demo them today with our basic 12 volt controller here. And as far as that goes, it does have inputs for the vehicle. So it is basic, but in the sense that it is still made for a car. You have your startup animation, followed by your DRLs, or parking lights, whichever you prefer to call them. Then you have your turn signals, and they are a sequential turn signal, so they do actually flow. In the case of Halos like this, it is a clockwise rotation. And then it goes right back to your DRL function. In addition to that, you do have your show mode function as well, and there are many different modes with that it can do. It's cycling through a whole bunch right now. But obviously, as you can see, quite a few different functions. They are quite bright. I can actually turn that down just a little bit. Hopefully the camera can catch it a little bit better. So hopefully the camera catches a little bit better there. But they are quite bright for the output. So once again, these are available on the website, and it is available with the optional controller, but they can be used with any RGBW compatible controller like the SP105, SP110, the BlueGhozt, or obviously our controller here, which does add the inputs for your DRLs and your turn signals, which we think is a nice little upgrade option. They are backed with 3M tape for securing them in place, but we do recommend using some fishing line with some small holes drilled into the light to help secure them in place and keep them where they're supposed to be. They will be available on the website, nextlevelneo.com, and thanks for watching.